you're wearing white, lovely. Yes, no? This is the angel fairy dress. Always you wear it. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Meet is looking very handsome in white. Salim is looking good in white. Good morning, Swaraj Janardhan. Shiraz, what is that blue on your white? Is it a Superman? Yes. Okay. Oh my God, Krishna is looking very cute with a Santa cap. White jacket with a Santa cap. Lovely. And who else is there? Let me see in white. Ooh, who is this? Karanveer is also. Karanveer, you are not sitting properly, Kacha. You have to sit properly for is also looking very nice and white. Good morning, Chalvari. What have you worn? A nice formal dress, I think. Lovely. Yes, lovely. Your gown is very pretty, Chalvari. Okay. Good morning, Swaraj. Open your screen. I want to see everybody. White. White is the color of peace. Okay. So by the time it is so happy moment. So let's have a Merry Christmas song. This whole week is full of Christmas. So let's sing. Come on, 1, 2, 3.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important. Oh, bring us something important and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't know until we get some. We won't know until we get some. We won't.
Yes, Vedansh, where is your white dress? Why Vedansh is going to do today? The team is white. Everybody's going to be white. Hamza, I liked your white full sleeve t-shirt because it is cold, no? So you're wearing a very smart white.
Today I came Mama's school. That's why I wear a shirt. That's why it's blue.
Okay, excuse. Don't worry, okay? So now Shravi is wearing a nice white frock. I can see who else is coming in. Yes, everybody.
My phone stuck inside.
What do you want? What do you want? I didn't get you, Hamza. What were you saying? Okay, chalo, good. Christmas fever. Everybody made gifts. I saw Meet giving gift to Daddy. Meet, what did Daddy say when you gave the gift? Meet, what did Daddy say when you gave the gift?
Don't press on.
What did Daddy say, Meet?
Thank you.
Daddy liked the way you wrapped the gift.
Thank you, say.
I know, thank you, he said, but he liked your gift wrapping. Yes, I like it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Alifia, did you?
Yuvan's card also was good.
Yeah, Yuvan's card was very nice. I like Prisha's Merry Christmas from Santa. Prisha had become a Santa mask and she has a Santa mask. Lovely, Prisha. I like your mask also. I like Yuvan's card also. Now you have to send me, no? What are you doing for Christmas? See, I showed you so much of Christmas decoration all around. I showed you gift wrapping also.
Don't do that.
It's not a laptop.
Chalo, for the last time, we listen to the song and then we go to Munira teacher for a Christmas vocabulary today. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready for a Christmas song? All your friends have come in, okay? So let's all say, what are we going to say?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry
let's say hello to all our friends and Merry Christmas to all of you. So where is the hello? Everybody's ready for a hello. These are 3 days, then you're all going for a Christmas holiday. So let's say hello to our friends, all these 3, and goodbye also when we depart on Wednesday, okay? So here's the hello song. Everybody, good morning and hello to everybody. I'm sure you all are very fine because Christmas is coming and everybody is very happy. Labina teacher and Rainbow Kids is super excited to tell you everything about Christmas. So today, now we go to Munira teacher and Munira teacher is going to tell you the Christmas vocabulary. Let's go. Where are you, Munira teacher? Munira teacher is becoming Santa. Are you becoming
Hi, yes, Mia teacher has become Santa. Yay, everyone. Good morning. Okay, how are you all? Good. And Merry Christmas to all. Okay. Are you all ready with your books and slates? Whatever you all have, please take it. Okay. Hello. Sit with your books or slates, and anybody, those who have not taken the books or slates, please get it quickly, fast. Okay. Now, before we start, let's say A to Z song. We should not forget our A to Z song. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, start. A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, sugar on your bed. And if you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me and I will teach you A, B, C. Okay. Now, Munia teacher has got a Christmas tree with her. Okay. There are lots and lots of Christmas items in this. Now, what you have to do is, I'm going to remove one object from the tree. Now you have to tell me the beginning letter of that object and you have to sound, okay, of that particular object. Okay, now let me see which object will I take from here. Abracadabra, gilly, 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 gilly. But see, you have to write the letter, okay, that beginning letter you have to write, okay. Now, abracadabra, gilly, 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 choo. Now let me see which is the object which I'm going to remove from the tree. Yay, yay, yay. Tell me what is
Christmas hat. Christmas hat.
Is this a hat? We call this as a hat.
No.
What is this? It is a
Cap.
cap. And cap begin with which letter?
C.
What's the letter?
C.
C. C for cap. And now tell me C says? C says what? What sound does C says? Now write letter C in the notebook and upper KG will write the word cap. Okay, I want that 3-letter word cap. And nursery and lower KG will write only the first letter of the object, the word cap. Okay. Chalo.
Daddy,
Come on.
I will meet
Done.
you. Yeah, bye.
Okay, can I see? Let me see who has done it. Come on. Abracadabra. Who is the one? Who wrote? Yes. Vedansh. Yes, Vedansh. Did you write? I can't see the word cap. Have you written the word cap? Apple. I told you to write full 3-letter word, not the first letter. Yes. Correct. Now, yes, very good. Yes, I saw this one. Correct. I saw Karanveer writing. I saw. Yes, Atharv. You wrote the word cap?
Yes.
Okay.
I
Very good. Now. Yes. Now let's take the another object. Okay. Abracadabra, gilly. Choo. Now what is this? Come on, tell me, what is this?
Santa's bag.
Santa's bag. So starts with B. Very good. B. So now upper KG will write the word bag, full 3-letter word, and lower KG and nursery will write the initial, first letter of the word.
I wrote it.
You wrote it. Good boy. Thumbs up. Great. B for bag.
दाखव की तुझा पकड हात
Let me check. Who wrote that? Very good, Swara. Very good. Yes. Nitya. Griva. Hamza. Karanveer.
दाखव मिसला पकड नको हातात
Rag. Yes. Swaraj. Shanaya is still writing. Karanveer. Okay. I saw it. Correct. Now, okay. Now, let's go to the next object. Okay. Now, next object is
Munira teacher, I'm muting all you. Munira teacher, you keep yourself up.
Yes, I've done. Now the next object is dang. What is this? Come on. Anybody? What is this? Just unmute yourself. Say a word and mute back. Candle. Come on, mute. Now, candle starts with which letter? Candle begin with which letter? C says. Very good. So everybody will write C for C for candle. C, letter C, and please mute yourself. No teacher will do. You have to do it by yourself. Okay. Chalo. Show me. I can see Muhammad doing it. I saw Muhammad. You have to do it by yourself. Don't take mama's help.
Yes, Munira teacher, 1 minute. Even I will check.
Yeah, just check.
Wow, I can see Hamza. Very good, Karanveer. Meet, C. C for candle. Very good. Yes. Lovely. You can go ahead now. Next.
Yes, C for candle,
Very
okay?
good, Rahim. Very good, you won.
Okay. Now, the next. I have got this with me. What is this? Yay!
Christmas
Gift,
gift.
no? Who get gift? Who brings gift for us? Who brings gift for us? Santa. And what is? Tell me the letter which starts with G. Sorry, gift. Sorry,
It starts with
the letter which starts
which
with gift.
Which
G.
And G says.
G says,
says-
come on.
G says.
Wow.
Go. Okay. Upper KG can write this 4-letter word. No problem. Gift को आप black करके कर सकते हैं. You know the spelling. Upper KG write.
G-I-F.
Right. They can write. It's a very simple.
G-I-F-T.
Go. E. Yes. Go. And
Very good.
gift. Very good.
Very good. Lovely. Everybody's
Okay.
right.
Very good. I'm very happy. Very happy.
से करना नहीं करना पूछेंगे ना तुरंत जवाब और युवान सबसे पहले जवाब दिया 3
Okay.
Talk in the
Everybody mute. Please,
Yes.
please put yourself on mute. Please, everybody. I will not start. Please, everyone, put yourself on mute.
Yes, everybody mute.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Now, the next object is, look at this.
Christmas tree.
Chris,
Christmas tree.
very good.
And
Teacher, only
Think. No. It starts with X. X. It starts with X.
Okay.
X. So X, you have to write letter X, and X says, what sound does X makes? X is okay. So it starts with X.
Yes, Munira teacher, but sometimes we write C also.
Yes.
Sometimes we write C.
Yes, we write Christmas tree. If it is the short word, we have to write only X. Okay, correct. Okay. Now, the next object is...
Wow, what's the next object? Let's see.
So, what
Lovely.
is this?
What is this? What is this?
What is this? Snowman. And snowman starts with... It starts with which letter?
S.
S.
Lovely.
Very good. And but upper write the word man. They know the letter, 3-letter word man. They can write the full word man. Man.
And what's the spelling of snow? Do you know snow? Anybody know snow? Who will tell me? So much we are doing fun with snow all the time.
SNOW.
Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Snowman.
Snowman.
Abhi, you are becoming a rock star now.
Yeah, done.
Very good.
Very good. Now, look at this. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. What is this?
This is my favorite.
What is this? Socks. Okay, and it starts with
S.
S. Very good. So write letter S. One more time you can write letter S. No problem.
Come on. S for Santa. S for snowman. S for stockings.
Yes. Look at
I think the lower KG will still need time. Nursery and lower KG. Very good. Nitya.
This ding 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 ding
Yes.
ding ding.
Yeah,
This.
बताओ. What is this?
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Yes, jingle bell, jingle bell. It's a bell. Chalo, write the word. It starts with which word? Sorry, it starts with which letter? Bell starts with very good. So write letter B. But upper KG can write the word bell.
They can
Please
write
try,
it, dear teacher. It is very
but you can
easy.
still write.
Correct. Bo.
It's very easy. Yes.
L.
Very good.
Very good. Right.
Double L.
Very good.
Lovely. Now they know all the Christmas
Lovely, very
vocabulary. Very good. When they go out, no, Munira
You're
teacher
very
will spell
smart.
out. Yeah, very smart they've become.
Okay.
Very nice.
Very smart. Yes, I will teach. Very good. Now we have done with this. Okay. Now I want you all to do let's do the new activity. Fine. Jabin teacher, can you share the activity, please?
Minute, huh?
Odd man out.
What is odd man out?
Okay. Yeah. You by the time explain them what is odd man out. Okay.
Yes. The odd man out is something, there will be the 4 objects will be shown to you. Okay. See, can you zoom it little? Can you zoom it little?
First one, dear.
Yeah.
It won't be zoomed. It will
Upper
be
KG, please be quiet. Upper KG, please be quiet.
Second one, Santa Claus.
Upper KG knows about it. Let's lower KG and nursery also. Okay, wait. Mute yourself. Okay. Now this is, first let me explain what is odd man out. Here the circle is, here you have to circle the odd man out. There are the 4 objects. Can you see the 4 objects? There are 3 Santas and 1 reindeer. So what you have to do is, who is the odd man out? There are 3 Santas and only 1 deer. So the object which is only 1, okay, they are not same, which is different from other 3. You have to circle that, okay, or cross, no problem. Okay, now in this first 3, in the first this thing, you see there are 3 Santas, 1, 2, and 3, and the last one is reindeer. So you have to circle or cross the reindeer. Okay, let's cross the reindeer. Let's cross because Santas are same. 3 Santas are same. Only the deer is crossed. Okay. Now the second is, look here. There is 1 Santa and 1, 2, and 3 Christmas trees.
odd.
Tell me which is the odd.
Second picture.
Look in the second picture. Santa is different. It's a odd. So you have to cross or circle odd. Okay.
तू फक्त answer असतो. Yes नाही विचारलं तुला काहीतरी.
Okay. Please.
Can you see
Now in the third picture, see first is reindeer.
Teacher, can you see the cross?
Christmas
Yeah, I
tree.
can see the cross. Now in the third picture, 1 reindeer, second one is Xmas tree, and third and fourth picture is also a reindeer. So which is different? Which picture is different?
Christmas tree.
Excellent. Now in the fourth
Just
picture,
give me this.
you will see the snowman. Snowman, candle, and candle. So which is the different picture in this?
Snowman.
Very good. So you have to cross the snowman. Yes. Okay. Let's go on the 5th picture. First is snowman, second is candle, and third is snowman, fourth is snowman. So which is different? Come on, tell me. Which is different? Candle. Okay. Now let's see. Let's go on the 6th.
Candle.
Yes. Look, now go on the 6th picture. 6 picture में first is ring, second is reindeer, third is ring, and fourth is ring. Now tell me which is the different picture.
Deer.
Reindeer. Okay. So we will, yes, we'll okay, we'll put cross on the reindeer. Now last. First is ring, second is bell, third is bell, and fourth is bell. So which is the odd man out?
Ring.
Very good. So we put the cross on the ring. Very good. Perfect. Okay. We can stop the share screen. Beautiful. Very good. Now, okay. Now this is something which you have to do it orally. Okay. Now here, can you see the background picture here? Can you see the image? Now
Yes.
in this, there it is written Merry Christmas. Can you see the word Christmas here? Christmas. Christmas. Now here you don't need to write anything. You just have to tell me orally. Fine. Here in Christmas. Now this is a big word. Christmas is a big word. What you have to do is you have to make small words from this big word. ये Christmas word बड़ा है. ये बड़ा word में से small words. You can make 2-letter word. You can make 3-letter words also. Okay. So for example, Christmas में is become is. Is ये 2-letter word है. Okay. So make so many words. As many words you want to, you can make. And
Me.
yes. And even big children can make 2-letter words from you. Sorry, 3-letter words from you.
His.
Sorry.
His.
Okay. Sorry, I can't hear you. What did you say, bacha?
Cherry. H-I-S. His.
H-I-S, his. Very good. Then
C-I-T.
T-I. M-A-T, mat. Correct. S-A-T, sat, you can make. S-I-T, sit. Very good. C-A-T, cat, you can make. I-S is.
Okay, one by one.
There is no bird. Mat, yes.
Meera teacher, you know the big kids can copy this spelling also. Okay.
Yes, big kids can
I'm going
copy.
to copy this Merry.
W
No, not W. M. A.
F.
Yes, they can copy
Yes.
this spelling and then make small words out of it.
Words, yes, they can do that. They can do that. Okay, please do it. Please do it. Okay. Yes. Now I hope you enjoyed it. Yes. Yes. Let's stop here now. I
Yes.
hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you to Munira teacher.
Thank you so
Thank you. Yes.
much.
Now they know all their words, their alphabets, which is for Santa, which is for snow, and which is for the gifts. Very good. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Where
I
are
hope
we going to go?
enjoyed it.
You know what?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay,
Thank
now
you.
listen. It is very important. What do you eat in Christmas?
Bye.
Do you eat in
Bye
Christmas?
and happy Christmas to all.
Yes. You know what do you eat in Christmas? Christmas के टाइम बहुत सारी cookies बनाते हैं. Christmas के टाइम पे बहुत सारा preparation करते हैं. You know, there is lots and lots of preparation. Do you want to see what they make in Christmas? आपको देखना है? So let's go to Husaina teacher. Husaina teacher is going to show you what they make in Christmas. So all the food items and everything, what they make in Christmas. Let's see what Husaina teacher has to show us. Okay. Wow, say good morning,
Good
Hussaina
morning.
teacher.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Oh, wow. So it's Christmas time.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. And in Christmas time, they make हम बहुत सारा केक बनाते हैं, कुकीज बनाते हैं. Wow. हमारा favorite है वो. Oh, wow. And today, हम केक नहीं, लेकिन we learn about cookies. Who eats cookies? Which cookies you all like? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell? Who likes
I
cookies?
like chocolate cookie.
Oh, it's my favorite food, chocolate cookie. Then which other cookie?
I like strawberry cookies.
Strawberry
I like vanilla cookies.
vanilla cookie. Wow. Then which other cookie you all like?
Cashew cookies. Cashew cookies.
Cashew cookies. Wow. Okay. And today we are going to make. You know what we are
I
doing?
also like jelly cookies.
Jelly cookies.
Rainbow cookie.
Wow, so you all do like so many variety of cookies. We are also going to see many Christmas cookies afterwards. First, we are going to make today cookies in our house. Okay? Now let's see. Have you all kept the dough ready? Hussaina teacher had asked you all to keep a dough ready. Has everyone kept? Yes? Everyone can show us your doughs?
Yes,
Oh,
everybody
wow.
remove.
Because
Yeah,
to
let's-
make a cookie, we need a dough of flour. Okay? Then only the cookies will be made.
Yes, Hussaina teacher, let me check
Yes,
Well-
please.
whether the dough is ready or no, and everybody is going to make lots of different shapes.
Yes.
Yes,
Everyone
everybody.
will tell me your favorite shape. And
Yes.
if you all have molds at home, you can take your molds. Or I told you to keep a butter knife ready. So your butter knife is also ready.
Yes, everybody has their butter knives. Or you can take a bottle cap. You can
Yes.
take any shape, whatever bottle caps you have, or anything you can take. Okay. So show me, everybody show me whether your atta is ready. See, Hussaina teacher, you have so many different shapes.
Yes,
Wow.
I have got different shapes with me.
Very
With
nice.
which cookies we'll make. Okay?
Wow, lovely.
Sir.
Let's check what Hussaina teacher is making today. So let's do.
Okay, fast. Everyone.
Knife. Of glass. Made of glass.
Okay.
Okay.
Vedant, now let's check what
Okay,
okay,
this
so
is what? What is this? What is this?
which is used to make the atta flat.
Flat rolling pin. Okay, come on, everyone will do the action. Okay, now everyone will make their dough flat. हमें flat बनाना है उसे. See, come on.
Wow.
Roll.
But Hussaina teacher, do they have a chakla and a belan at home? Show me first. Show me.
Everyone has, na? Mama has
Mix
in the kitchen.
roti.
Wow.
Yes. So let's
Parent is
now.
making or mama is making.
Yes, so let's make
Wow.
it flat.
Flat.
Let me check who is doing very good,
Don't make it
Taranjeev.
too much flat, हाँ? थोड़ा thick
Yes.
रखेंगे हम तब. तो shapes निकलेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, we want to make lots of different cookie shapes. You know, Hussaina teacher, this is just for fun. Will we be
Yes.
able to eat it? No,
No.
this is just for
Just
fun.
for fun
Okay?
we are making, okay? We
No.
are learning how to make cookies.
Yes. Now, what different shapes? Which shape
What
is this?
Round.
Circle.
So if you don't have a circle, I told you, you can use a butter knife also to make a circle. And if you have a bottle cork, any
Yeah.
bottle cap, so you can take that also. Okay, and now see what Hussaina teacher is doing. Now it's
Wow.
going.
Which shape is going to come? Yes. Oh
See,
my
I
God.
have pressed this.
What shape is going to come? What is going to come out? Oh my God. A nice round cookie.
And now these cookies, तो ये कच्चा है ना? ये dough is कच्चा. we have to bake the cookie. So where is my baking dish? This is my baking dish. One shape has gone. Which shape is this? Which shape is
Circle
this?
cookie. Wow.
Round circle.
Now let's make.
Okay. Now which shape we want? Now which shape you all want?
Wow.
Okay. Now we'll make four-sided shape. Which shape has four sides? And they are equal.
Square.
Ah, smart children. Chalo, now again I'm making my dove, okay? Flat.
Wow. Yummy cookies are going to roll out. And which shape is going to come? I think you all said square, no?
Square, now four sides. Square has got four
So,
sides.
teacher, we have blocks also home. You can use your
Yes,
blocks
if you have
also.
blocks at home, use that also. Let's make funny cookies today. Wow. Which shape? You said square. Square has four sides. And now see Usana teacher is pressing the square. Yes. Wow. What shape cookie? Square shape. Wow. And now this will also go in a baking dish. Isn't it? We have to bake and eat. Whenever cake, cookies, we cannot eat it raw. We have to bake in the oven. Okay. Now, which is this shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. So we'll make a nice cookie with a triangle. Okay.
Very nice. A three-sided shape is coming out.
Like a Christmas tree.
Yes, it is like a Christmas tree's triangle, no?
Christmas tree is also triangle shape. Wow, lovely.
Let's put it over here on the tray.
Now it goes in the baking tray. So now which shapes we made? Let's revise them once more. Which was this shape?
Square.
Square. We made square cookie. We made round circle cookie. And we made triangle cookie. Now you know, which is a six-sided shape. We made.
Wow, we have one more six-sided shape. And that cookie is also looking. Yes, hexagon, which is going to look very
Hexagon.
yummy.
Okay, let us and our teacher make it flat.
Did you
flat,
go to any
flat.
shop to see such cookies? Have you been to any shop for Christmas shopping? You will see lovely cookies over there. Wow. So there is one more cookie coming on the tray, cutting on the rolling pin.
Yes.
Wow. So where is the hexagon? Let's cut into an hexagon shaped cookie. Okay. Yummy.
See, what is this shape? It has six sides. Okay, hexagon. Now we take and stamp. Like a star also. It looks like a star.
Yes.
Small star.
Yes, it looks like a star, but it is not a star shape. It's an hexagon.
It's a hexagon shape.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Now, on ambulance, which sign we see? Who remembers? जब ambulance आती है, which sign they have?
X.
Yes, plus sign. What sign? Plus sign. So we are going to make a cookie with a plus sign.
One standing line and one eating line. So are you all cutting or no? Let me see. Hussein is trying to do something. Sakina is doing something. Wow. Whatever shape you all have, you all can do. No problem. No problem. If you have different shape, you can try different shapes. So my plus sign is also going. Plus cookie is also coming.
Yes, plus cookie. Triangle shape.
Wow. Look how it is seen. See? Ah, this is an emergency sign. Oh my God.
Plus sign cookie. Wow. So all different types of cookies are ready for baking. Let's see. We'll see what shapes we made.
Yes, wow. Then you know what? This goes in an oven. This goes in an oven. So let's see what shapes one more time. Okay.
Okay, we'll see what shape cookies we made. Okay. What was this shape? Triangle. What was this shape?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Very good. This was?
Plus.
And this is square. And this is round.
Circle.
Okay. Now these cookies will go for the baking. And it's going to take some time. But you know, Hussaina teacher has got a jar of cookies for you today. Arey? Huh? Ye cookies kahan gaye? Chabin teacher, who ate my cookies? I had got so many cookies today for my children. Who ate it? I will show them and I will tell them to buy such cookies. Oh my God. Now, हम देखें किसने लिया है cookies? We'll find out
Who stole the cookies from
stole
the cookies jar?
Okay, let's play. Okay. Now we'll ask who took the cookies.
Who stole the cookies from the cookies jar? Who stole it?
कौन है हमारे साथ?
Oh my God, is it the
reindeer is there? We'll ask the reindeer.
reindeer?
Reindeer took the cookies from the cookie jar. Reindeer is saying, no.
I did not.
I did not take the cookies from the cookies jar. Oh my God. So reindeer ने नहीं लिया है. Who else has come today? Oh my
Who
God.
stole the
Who stole the cookies from the cookies jar? Snowman. Let's ask the snowman. Did you take the cookies? No, teacher. Snowman is also saying, no, I did not take the cookies. Arey baapre. Reindeer has not taken the cookies. Snowman has not taken the cookies.
So let's sing one more time.
You all
Who
got
stole the cookies from the cookies jar? It's not the snowman. It's not the reindeer.
Ha 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 ha.
Ho, 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 ho.
This is the Father Santa Claus.
Ho,
Did you
ho,
take
ho.
the cookies from the cookies jar? Father Santa is saying, no, I did not take. Oh my God, my jar, who took the cookies? I want my cookies back. And now, naughty baby Santa is there. Where are you, naughty baby Santa? Hey, babies.
Yes.
Yes.
Babies love
I
cookies,
took
Hussaina teacher.
Yes, babies love cookies. Let's ask this baby Santa if he's taken the cookies from this jar. Okay? Okay. Who took the cookies from the cookies jar? Baby Santa,
Yeah.
take the cookie from the cookie jar. Baby Santa is saying, yes. Oh my God. Baby Santa, please give us back now. My children want to eat the cookies. Yes. Baby Santa,
Sure.
get the cookies for us. And our cookies are also baked. अभी तो जो Santa ने पेट में डाल दिया है, so let it be. But Santa, this is not good, baby. You must not eat other things. Okay? So let's see if our cookies are baked.
Yes, wow. Now
Wow.
our cookies are going to get ready, and you want to see some cookies in the jar. Let's get some cookies in the jar. Oh my, Husaina teacher, you put it in a hot oven? Oh my God. And the oven is cold or hot? Wow, and your yummy cookies have come. Hooray!
Wow, the cookies are
Baked
baked
in the hot oven.
hot oven. Okay.
Yes, very nice,
Wow.
yummy and tasty.
See, this is a cashew. We put cashew in the cookies. This is a donut shape. We made the round shape. When it gets puffed, it becomes crispy also. Okay. So when you bake, it becomes crispy. Wow. So you all enjoy baking the cookies. Now we are going to see in Christmas time which cookies we get in the market. Okay.
Yeah.
Shoe shape, then hat shape.
But first, do you want to see how a baby is doing and making the
Okay,
cookies?
now we learned. Now let's see how the babies
Baby is
also
going to
make.
make cookies, yes, and how they are enjoying doing the topping and everything. So let me put a video for you and let me show you how the baby is enjoying making the cookies. Okay, let me share a video.